Building wealth can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. By taking small yet strategic steps, you can set yourself on the path to financial success. Let's look at some of the steps that can be taken. Number 9, 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a basic guideline for budgeting that suggests dividing your after-tax income into 3 parts. 50% for necessities, such as housing, food, transportation, and insurance. 30% for discretionary spending, such as entertainment, dining out, and travel, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. This rule is meant to be a simple, easy-to-follow approach to budgeting that can help you achieve your financial goals. Number 8, track your spending. Tracking your spending is an important step in gaining control over your finances. By monitoring how you spend your money over a period of time, you can identify areas where you may be able to cut back and free up extra cash to save or invest. There are many tools and apps available that can help you with this process, making it easy to get a clear picture of where your money is going and identify any areas where you can make changes. By setting a budget and sticking to it, you can make sure you're saving enough money to reach your financial goals. Number 7, reinvesting dividends. Reinvesting dividends can be an effective strategy for growing your wealth, as it allows you to take advantage of the power of compounding. This means that your returns will earn returns, which can help to boost your overall returns over time. However, it is important to remember that dividend payments are not guaranteed, and the share price of a stock can fluctuate. Additionally, if you need the income from dividends, it may not be the best strategy for you. It's important to weigh the pros and cons and consider your individual financial goals and needs before deciding to reinvest dividends. Number 6, pay yourself first. One of the most effective ways to build wealth is to make saving and investing a priority. Self-made millionaire and best-selling author David Bache suggests using the strategy of paying yourself first. This means that when you earn money, the first thing you do is put some of it towards savings, retirement, or investment accounts instead of spending it on bills and other expenses. By making this an automatic process, you can ensure that you are consistently saving and investing towards your financial goals rather than spending all of your money on immediate expenses. Number 5, consider another stream of income. When it comes to building wealth, having multiple streams of income can be incredibly beneficial. It not only provides a buffer in case one income source dries up, but it also allows you to invest more of your money and grow your net worth at a faster pace. Here are a few ways to diversify your income streams. This can be achieved by starting a side business, investing in rental properties, or earning passive income through various investments such as mobile apps or websites. Having multiple sources of income can accelerate your wealth building journey. Number 4, protect your assets. Protecting your assets is an important part of building wealth. Consider purchasing insurance policies to protect against unexpected events such as disability, illness, or accidents. Also, consider setting up a trust or other legal structure to protect your assets and minimize your tax liabilities. Number 3, stay educated about money. Financial literacy is key to building wealth. Continuously educating yourself about personal finance, investing, and other money-related topics can help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. The more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops, and follow trusted financial experts to stay up to date on the latest financial strategies and trends. Number 2, give back. Giving back can be a fulfilling way to build wealth. Consider donating to charitable organizations, volunteering your time and skills, or supporting causes that align with your value. Not only can giving back help others, but it can also enhance your sense of purpose and well-being. Number 1, stay disciplined. Building wealth requires discipline and consistency. Stay committed to your financial goals even when it's challenging or tempting to stray off course. Review your progress regularly, adjust your plan as needed, and celebrate your successes along the way. By implementing these steps, you can take control of your finances and set yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember, building wealth is not a one-time event, but a lifelong process that requires patience and consistency. Stay committed to your goals. With the right mindset and approach, you can increase your wealth and achieve your financial dreams.